Before we discuss the poly shapes, let me tell you a nice way to assign IDs in a separate file and import that file to use throughout our game script. The assign custom ID function is now moved to a separate file, and in the imports I have imported ent, that is a dictionary, from the assets IDs module. Unlike circles and boxes, for poly shapes we have to declare the vertices of an object. On the screen we have a bat and its holder. Let's discuss the holder first. First of all, we make a 1 pixel circle and align it to the center of object. Now we need to declare the vertices of a polygon object clockwise. So we copy the 1 pixel circle and place the dot on all points which we want to be vertices. We have pointed the vertices. Now we have to find the distances of all the vertices from the center point. The center point has a position. All the vertices have a position. To get the vertices, we must subtract all the vertices positions from the center position. I have wrote a custom script that you can download along with the code for these tutorials. It's called Polymaker. In Polymaker we declare the center points in x and y variables, and then we can declare the positions of all the vertices and run the script. These are all the positions for the dots that we have placed on the vertices, and this for loop does the subtraction for us. As we run the Polymaker, we get our vertices for bat holder. These vertices we have obtained goes in the vertices list for the object. And then we declare the shape to poly for an object. Bat holder is a convex shape. There is no dent in it, so we just draw one shape for it. Let's see the difference between convex and concave shapes. The convex shape is a straightforward shape, whereas the concave shape has a dent in it. To make a concave shape, we have to draw 2 or more shapes for one polygon object. Let's see how we can declare 2 shapes for one polygon object. Now, the bat has dents in it. It's in concave shape. If we divide this concave shape into 2 convex shapes, we have this left bat shape and this right circle shape. We must declare one center point for both of these shapes and start placing the dots on vector points of bat first. This is the center point. And for the bat shape, we have declared the dots in yellow color on the left bat side. And then we place 1 pixel dots on right circle shape of the object. Once we have placed the dots, we can update the new center point in the Polymaker and make the list of left bat shape first and place the dot positions in the vert list. We get our vertices for our first shape. Each shape is a dictionary. Let's see in the code. This is our first shape, which is left bat side. Each shape is a dictionary. Now we need to do the same for the right circle shape and obtain its vertices from the Polymaker. This is the dictionary for the second shape. Now we have two convex shapes for our bat. The mass for first shape is 300 and the mass for second shape is 280. Overall mass for the whole object is 580. There it goes, kind of a bit slipped, I would say. Let's fix that. Yeah. So the whole mass of these two shapes is 580, and the whole object gets the mass of 580. Let's see the output, and in the next video we will join the bat and holder using the pivot join.